Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. We've got a full lineup in this video. I think I have 5 different job leads for you. We've got companies like Zillow, Affirm, DocuSign. Most of these jobs don't require any kind of college degree and are paying sometimes up to $60 an hour or more. We're going to dive all in. Of course, I just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. I always try to do my best to leave the timestamps in the description box as well. And of course, I just ask that if you are looking for something specific, if you have not already, you can let me know down in the comments below. I can't make any promises, but I read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And speaking of things requested in the comments, the first one comes from that. I shared a writing job a couple of days ago, and someone said they're looking for more writing jobs. So here you go. The company Geek Studios, they only have 38 reviews on Glassdoor, so I'll always urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a 3.2 out of 5 star rating. They are looking for a full-time remote work from home content writer. Now, I do believe all of these that I am sharing are for the United States only. I know I see that asked a lot of times in the comments, so I always try to mention it somewhere in the beginning of the video. These are for if you live in the United States only. But Geek Studios is looking for someone who is a wordsmith, a wizard at the written word to take spinning any topic in any industry into a compelling masterpiece. So you'll basically be writing stuff, conquering diverse topics in multiple industries, just transforming them into engaging and persuasive content. Of course, you're going to have to manage deadlines, giving high quality copy to your supervisors, meeting the deadlines that are set, and also showcase your proofreading skills. You'll be proofreading and editing your content pieces before you turn in the final piece. They're looking for somebody who's a background in content writing, somebody who understands how to tailor writing styles to various different audiences. Of course, somebody who has a relentless pursuit of excellence, striving to evaluate your craft and always making it better. But no college degree is needed. They do say, though, you get bonus points if you know some SEO, but pay for this position is anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. Does come with a standard benefit package. But if writing isn't for you, that's okay. Next up, we have the company Ellevation Education. They have 41 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a product support specialist. Again, full-time remote United States. But they're basically looking for somebody to be a problem solver, diagnosing a break in the chain of their products. So it breaks down kind of what your training will be like and what you're expected to do in the months following hiring. So within 1 month, you're going to become familiar with all of Ellevation, including their organizational structure, cultures, values, products. You'll set up and familiarize yourself with all the internal tools they use like G Suite, Slack, Jira, those types of things. And then you'll also be responding to simple requests in Zendesk. And then after you've been there for about 3 months and you've gotten comfortable with that, you'll start to investigate data files, identifying root causes of issues, and partnering with the data team, just being more complex on those customer service requests. So you'll lead phone first and video calls, and then you'll move into online tickets, just troubleshooting product defects and issues. So this is going to be like a technical support type job. No college degree is needed, but you do have to be able to multitask, prioritizing a large number of requests in a fast-paced environment. You've got to have great communication skills and comfortable working with technology. You do get bonus points if you're a tech genius and know things like SQL, or if you're familiar with Microsoft Excel, but those are not required. Pay for this one is anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $60,000 a year. Now, next up, we have the company DocuSign. Everyone since the COVID and pandemic should know and be familiar with DocuSign. All of our documents and banking and anything you would normally go into office in person for to sign paperwork seems to have gone online through DocuSign. It's great technology, but they have 3,300 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an accounts receivable analyst, so this is for you if you're looking to be in the finance field. They're looking for somebody to be responsible for a high volume contact with their customers, collecting their receivables and reconciling any disputes. So you'll own and manage basically the customer collection accounts in North America, providing timely resolution of past due accounts and disputed items with the customers and making sure that you have a continued relationship with the customers. So this is going to be like a customer service type job. You're going to analyze information and communicate with your supervisor next course of action on any accounts, but you'll basically handle refunds, account adjustments, write-offs, reconcile customer accounts, just trying to collect any payments and making sure no one is past due. Now, they are only looking for somebody who has 2 years of some kind of collection experience with Salesforce or some kind of CRM management system, and somebody who can work those basic Microsoft Office systems like Word and Excel, and no college degree is needed. That's all that's actually required. Now, they do have a few preferred requirements that'll get you to the top of the line, like great communication skills, someone who has a proven history of successful dispute reconciliation, or someone who has a history of being able to troubleshoot problems. And if you have a knowledge of collection principles like credits and debits, but all of that is not required. They do prefer a bachelor degree, but again, not required. Pay for this is going to be dependent on location and experience, but the lowest looks like it's $22.93 an hour, with the highest being $35.53 an hour. Moving right along, though, as the title of this video suggests, Affirm is hiring. Now, Affirm is one of those loan type places. They have 2 different loan structures that they offer to people. They have the buy now, pay later system, kind of like Afterpay, where you can split it up and pay it into like 4 different little payments over 2-3 weeks and then have no interest. Or they have longer term loans that they do for like a year or 2, like personal loans when you want to finance things, maybe like exercise equipment or big Amazon purchases. They have 443 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a quantitative analyst. Now, they are looking for somebody to basically reinvent the credit, making it honest and more friendly. So you'll be working with the capital markets, evaluating structure and pricing consumer asset-backed transactions, developing any capital structure and pricing models that are tailored to a firm's consumer loan portfolio, building data and quantitative models to analyze and predict performance of a firm's consumer loans over time, and providing insights for the capital markets. So this is basically a data analyst type position, not customer service and not on the phone. They do want somebody who has 4 years of experience with asset-backed transactions, or somebody who has experienced forecasting loan performance or building like quantitative models. Someone who has experience with like Bloomberg or in the financial field, like accounts receivables, accountants, things like that. They do need somebody who is technical too, who can use like SQL and Python to build and develop these data analyst systems. And you've got to be someone who's a proactive leader. Now, pay for this position is very well, with no college degree required. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but the very minimum pay is $124,900 a year. That breaks down to a little over $60 an hour, and then you can go up from there. It looks like the highest pay is $208,200 a year. And of course, last but not least, we have Zillow. I think I've featured Zillow multiple times over the last few weeks. They have been hiring like crazy here lately. And this is another position they have open. They have 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. And they're hiring a business advisor for their SMB rentals department. So you're basically going to provide clients with the best customer support, focusing on their net property and book growth. So these are people who have rentals and they're using Zillow to help rent out their properties. So you're going to help drive new business sales, including identifying potential clients or resolving prospective clients' needs, negotiating, closing deals, just becoming an expert in all of Zillow's rental network property products and services. You'll perform a high volume of calls, securing new accounts, and using Salesforce to log activity and manage your calendar. So this is going to kind of be like a sales position as well. Now, pay for this one is anywhere from $67,000 a year all the way up to $107,000 a year. And they don't require any kind of college degree either, just 2 years experience in some kind of a sales, a business to business, or accounts management. Someone who's a proven track record of exceeding their sales goals. You have high energy to achieve top results. So you have great communication skills and great time management skills. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, again, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.